Hey everyone, welcome to the second episode of A Day in My Life. Today is 7th of July and I have a few activities planned out. Please come along with me and check them out. I'm making my favorite eggs on bacon. I especially love this meal for breakfast. So yeah, let's get cracking. Angel, sing from above. Every day would seem giant love song. I usually also add like an avocado to it, but today I don't think I'm gonna do that since I bought them yesterday and they still seem unripe. So yeah, I'll wait for them to ripen and then use it. But yeah, until then, I'm gonna have bagels with eggs and maybe a drizzle of chili oil on top. And this is the brand of chili oil that I like. I think there are other brands also that I'd like to try at some point, but for now it's just this. I last time I think I got the one without the peanuts in it. This one has like the peanuts as well, which is pretty cool. I'm definitely going to try and make my own chili oil someday, but maybe, oopsie, but maybe sometime next month or so. Yeah, and I'll post a video about it while I'm doing it. So the eggs seem to be ready. Either get this over. One's already broken. And now I'll show you the eggs. This one already broke on the pan and this one broke as it was coming out. So yeah, not the best day to show like the perfect egg montage, but yeah, here it is. So I usually love to sit here and eat. I want to change this habit. From next time I think I'm gonna sit in the living room and maybe just stare out into nothingness or watch something on the TV. Currently I'm watching a few YouTube videos on how to vlog with your phone because that's what I need to be doing more of, and how to look into the camera instead of the screen. This is so difficult, you know. Okay, let me stop talking and let me start eating the food because I'm super hungry. I probably am gonna watch Young Sheldon, a few episodes of that right now. On season 2 episode 19, if any of y'all are watching Young Sheldon, let me know, or if y'all want to start watching, y'all definitely should. Like, at least the first few seasons are fun. I do not know about the rest of the show. I've heard like mixed reviews about it, therefore I want to see it. I also haven't watched all of Big Bang Theory, which has also been on my list for a while now, so yeah, let's see. These are my radishes. These are some flowers. This is zucchini. I'm really excited about these ones. This one is methi, which maybe I can harvest in about 8 to 10 days. These are again some radishes, zucchini, and oh yes, okra. For some reason it's not doing as well. Like the leaves drooped after transplanting, so yeah, let's hope they come back. I do see new leaf here, so yeah, I have hope for it. And then we move on to our tiny cucumber plants. Really cute, right? And they're gonna climb up this trellis, hopefully. Yeah, that's my garden for y'all. That is a grapevine actually. The grapes are not as tasty. They're really bitter. I can show them to you. A second. See these? They're not as tasty. They're very, sorry, not bitter is the wrong word. They're very sour. They look nice. And that's my garden for y'all. I'm going to be having nectarine. I think that's what this is. Hopefully this is not a peach. Tell me what it is. I don't know. I'm always so confused about fruits. I don't think I like the fruit. It's not as tasty. Lunch, there is chicken drumsticks, which are kind of burnt, or rather I'd call them charred, but they're good, they're tasty. Those and maybe some Pepsi Zero, because I don't know why I suddenly like fizzy drinks now. Yeah, so see you on the other side, because I don't know what to say. Hee hee. Let's make some matcha latte today, and it's gonna be a cold matcha latte. So now I'm back in my room and I'm gonna drink this matcha latte. I also recorded a video this time, which I'm gonna post on Instagram Reels, on my food page, and also maybe on YouTube if it is 1 minute. And you'll see that. Yeah, so it's around, I think 3 or 4, I think it's around 4 o'clock right now, 4 p.m. I'm gonna go clean up my room a little bit, which I promised I'll do last time, which I didn't. So I'm gonna finally start working on that. I'll I'll even record a time-lapse video, and I'm gonna add it to my vlog. So yeah, cheers, matcha cheers, I guess. So this is the part that I want to work on for today. There are a lot of different things in my room that are messy right now, but I'm gonna focus on this section for today, and yeah, let's hope I do it. So I was hoping to convert this area into like an entryway table, because my door's right there, and then I enter and then I can just put my keys, my phone, maybe not my phone because I'm gonna take my phone to my bed, who's like, that's an unsaid rule, right? But yeah, so I'm gonna put like my keys, my wallet, and those kinds of things over there. Maybe like a space for hats and caps I really love those things, so yeah. And also just like basic skincare products and maybe a perfume or so. I don't really own a lot of perfumes, so yeah, whatever I own. And yeah, I hope I create that. I've been meaning to learn the ukulele for a bit, but I'm going to address that in another video about why I'm not learning it, or why or how I should rather start learning it. But yeah. That's the finished product. I have some like I'm gonna keep all my like wallet or something like that here, and these are my regular go-to creams and oils and those kinds of perfume. That's the ukulele that I want to play someday, and I can keep some bags there. One bag maybe what I am using at the moment. That's a hat. And there's some more shopping bags in this, and some more hats and smaller bags in this. So yeah, that's the total look. I hope you had fun watching this vlog, and see you in the next one. Bye.